Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can create new root user with all privileges in MySQL server. So let's get started with this video. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. So guys, basically I just created a new server and I have already installed PHPMyAdmin and MySQL server, but I'm not able to log in here. So I want to create a new user. So how I can do that? For that you have to just log into SSH to a new server. I have already connected, and here you have to just write command which says sudo mysql and just press enter. You will able to log in using sudo root access, and here you will have to just write a command which will create a new user. I've already copied the command, so here you have to just paste it, and the command is create user. The username and localhost is default because I want to use it as the same server. If you want to use some on another server, you can use IP of that particular server. And then here you have to write identified with authentication plugin by, and then your inverted commas. You have to enter the password. So I'll just press enter here. So basically it says authentication plugin is not loaded. If you see the same error, so instead of using, you can directly also create, just paste your query again and remove this authentication plugin and just press enter here, and you will able to see this has been created successfully. Now here what you have to do is you have to create one more command to grant all the privileges. Already copied the command, you have to just write here grant all privileges, and in star you have to write dot because I want to give all the access, all the privileges, and I'll just write the username because the root one is the new user, and I'll just press enter here. Now guys, you can see here it has been successfully done. So I'll just copy this, and when I try to log in using root one, I will be able to log in into my, and you can see here I can log in successfully. So in this way you can create a new user in MySQL server and grant all permission to access your MySQL database. That's all in today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.